Okay, we're going to be setting up our Better Sound plate for the sound editing demo. So your kit should have come with a interactive kit, that's the electronic kit. Should include this box here, a couple of buttons, there's a power supply, alright, run the thing. And then if you ordered it, you also got the device that will generate the music for the Better Sound demo as well. Alright? There should be a plate like this, and then there'll be a box of blank plates to fill the display, and you should have got 2 metal plates, just like this, 2 buckets. These are backer pods, we call them, and there should be a bag of black screws. And then you'll need to supply your speakers for this setup. So I've got an old pair of coaxes here, your HushMat, 1 piece of HushMat for the demo, and then you'll need to get yourself something to act as a vapor barrier. So some decent gauge poly from an automotive supply store or painting store or something. This piece actually came from a plastic bag that I cut in half, so it just needs to be about the same thickness as what you would find for a vapor barrier in a car door. We're trying to, as accurately as possible, simulate what's going on in a car door. Alright? So, step 1 is to take your speakers and make sure that they're going to fit the cutout in the plate and that they're going to line up. You want to pre-mark the holes and drill them through the plate. Okay? You want to do this in advance. You don't want to do this after, or else you're going to get little metal filings in your install, and it's going to look terrible. Alright, so my holes are marked. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to line this up. You can see the pre-drilled holes are in the plate for the holes here. So I'm going to go ahead and line that one up for my piece around my bag of screws. 4 screws. Okay, so we're ready to apply caulking, and again we're trying to get a really authentic look of a door panel here, so do your best to do an outline like you would find inside a door if you pulled open a customer's door and showed them what they had stock. That's what we're trying to give them a representation of. So, decent bead. Okay, so I run it like that. Take a piece of poly, lay it right on there. Try not to smear it. This is the challenging part for me. Alright, and then take our knife, cut out the location where the speaker is going to go. should have something that looks like what came out of the door of the car. Trim off the edges using the metal as a guide. Now for a real finish look, I am pulling my hardware out. I'm going to run it right through the plastic. Go ahead and cut out where the buttonhole is. And grab your buttons, just the button part out of your assembly. Take that nut off. Through there. And that in place, and get the nut on the wall. That's it. Alright, so that part's done. Just got to put our speaker in, but we're going to do that after we get the back pot on. Alright, now the other piece of the puzzle is the piece for the sound deadening. So we're just going to turn that around. Okay, we got our HushMat here. Alright, button. Alright, so that's all done. Backer pod's going next. Note the holes drilled here in the bucket